Next topic is about the formation of companies. Formation of the companies usually have four stages. That is promotion, incorporation, raising of capital, and commencement of business. You can see each one by one. First one is promotion. Promotion is the first stage in the formation of a company. That is, every company is formed as a result of the idea conceived by the promoter or a group of promoters. The promoter, after conceiving the idea, makes a detailed investigation of the proposal and, if found feasible and profitable, takes necessary steps to organize it as a company. Uh, Next, in the book of financial organization of business, defines promotion as the discovery of business opportunities and the subsequent organization of funds, properties, and managerial ability into a business concern for the purpose of making profit thereof. And promoters are the persons who do the work of promotion. Promoters means a person who has been named as such as prospectors or as identified by the company in the annual return referred to in the section 92, who has control over the affairs of the company directly or indirectly, in accordance with whose advice, directions, or instructions the board of directors of the company is customized to act. And the functions of promoters include discovering a business idea or project proposal, conducting a detailed investigation of the proposal regarding its feasibility, preparing a detailed financial plan showing cost of project, sources of finance, etc., preparation of documents like memorandum of association, article of association, prospectus, etc., entering into a pre-incorporation contract on behalf of the proposed company, appointing the first directors or acting as first directors of the company by the promoters themselves. These are all about the promoters. And next one is about incorporation. Incorporation means a company comes into existence by incorporation or registration under the Companies Act. The central government has established for each state or for such region offices of the registrar of the companies for this purpose. Under Section 3 of the Companies Act, two or more persons but not exceeding 200 are required for the formation of a private company, and seven or more persons are required to form a public company. In the case of one company, one person is required to form a company. These persons must subscribe their names to the Memorandum of Association. Subscribing to the memorandum means signing the memorandum and expressing their willingness to associate themselves into a company and comply with the provisions of the Act regarding registration of the companies. A company formed may be a company limited by shares or company limited by guarantee or a unlimited company. And next one is about raising of capital. Raising of capital means after the incorporation, the next stage in the formation of the company is to make necessary arrangement to raise capital needed for the business. The promoters of the company, who generally become the first director of the company, take important decisions relating to capital subscription. The directors also make appointment to for key finance personnel like the financial manager and the company secretary. Then next one is about the commencement of business. Commencement of business is a company having a share capital shall commence business or exercise and borrow powers only after a declaration is filed by a director in the form prescribed and verified in the prescribed manner with the registrar, stating that every subscriber to the memorandum has paid the value of shares agreed to be taken by him, and the paid up capital of the company is not less than 5 lakh rupees in the case of a public company and not less than 1 lakh rupees in the case of a private company on the date of making of the declaration. Then the company has filed with the registrar a verification of his registered office as provided in section 12 subsection 2. If any default is made in complying with the requirements of the above, then of the section, the company shall be liable to a penalty up to 5,000 rupees. And every officer who is in default shall be punishable with a fine to 1,000 rupees for every day which has the default continues. These are all about the formation of the company stages, that is promotion, incorporation, raising of capital and commencement of business. Thank you.